Hi, and welcome to a new natural home remedy video. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and activate the new videos notifications bell.
The 9 best natural painkillers. 1. Olive oil. Olive oil is one of the remedies that nature gives us for many pains and conditions, besides being delicious. You should get the extra virgin kind, which is healthier than the kinds they sell in stores, or just go directly to a dietary store or organic fair. This oil has a natural substance that acts just like ibuprofen and other non-steroid anti-inflammatory medications. Studies have shown that olive oil is comparable to these drugs because it can reduce pain. The good news is that it is a natural remedy and also has less health risks, like not causing blood clots, Alzheimer's, or cancer. 2. Turmeric. This spice contains curcumin, one of the best natural painkillers that helps block pain in your body and also fights inflammation. You can use it instead of pharmaceutical drugs, without any side effects. As several studies have shown, turmeric can help stop rheumatoid arthritis pains by canceling neurotransmitters from being sent to the brain. 3. Fish oil. Since it contains omega-3 fatty acids, it can block the production of inflammatory chemical substances like leukotrienes and cytokines, which cause a lot of intense pain and are also one of the causes of arthritis. Consuming fish oil can notably reduce the severity of Crohn's disease. It can also help people stop depending on steroids and pharmaceutical products, which become addictive and require higher and higher dosages to ease pain. 4. Blueberries. There are many properties of this bluish, small, delicious fruit. They are a great anti-inflammatory because they have a lot of antioxidants which eliminate free radicals, which are responsible for the inflammation of digestive mucus. This causes ulcers, urinary infections, or poor digestion, among other illnesses. Studies state that eating a cup of blueberries a day prevents almost 60% of urinary tract infections, for example. They are also great for cleaning your blood, reducing inflammation and fluid retention, and helps diabetic patients reduce sugar. 5. Grapes. Grapes help treat back pains, so typical in today's society because of the use of computers or poor posture in front of the television. Anti-inflammatory properties of grapes increase blood flow in the lumbar area, which improves feelings of pain. Studies show that the daily dosage to take advantage of the benefits of grapes is 1 cup. This will relieve back, neck, shoulder, or waist pain. 6. Oats. Oats have a lot of properties, which is why we suggest consuming them at breakfast with milk, orange juice, and yogurt. It is a great anti-inflammatory for women because it reduces inflammation in the pelvic area during menstruation. It is also a perfect and complete food to raise the amount of zinc in the body, which brings a lot of relief to those who suffer from endometriosis. You can also consume it with meat, chicken, vegetables, salads, or soups. 7. Garlic. As if it could be any other way, garlic has 1,001 properties, with pain-killing being one of them. It helps improve pain levels that your joints suffer because of arthritis. In order to be able to take advantage of its benefits, peel a garlic clove and heat it in a tablespoon of oil. Apply it to the area that hurts and let it take effect. Right away you will notice the discomfort and pain going away and being eased. 8. Apple cider vinegar. This is one condiment for salads or that you can save and is also an excellent painkiller. It has alkaline effects that run through your entire body. However, it will be amazing for the busy life you lead. Apple cider vinegar relieves acidity and inflammation in the upper part of the stomach. In order to take advantage of its benefits, mix a tablespoon of vinegar with a cup of water. Drink it when you have acid reflux and you will get excellent results. 9. Chamomile. Chamomile tea is great for reducing inflammation in muscles and to calm nerves as well. It has a large amount of properties for your body. It will help you relieve back, neck, and waist pain.
Thank you for watching. Take some time to see our other videos. Leave your comments and questions below and don't forget to share your results. If you haven't subscribed, please do it now. And don't forget to click on the little bell below to receive notifications of new videos.